Hey beautiful people, thank you so much for joining in. Guys, in this video, we will discuss and understand what is or which one is the most popular page builders, especially for beginners. In my previous videos, we understood and discussed what is page builder, what are the available options in market for WordPress as a page builder. And now in this video, we will choose one page builder which will help us to create our own website. So now the page builder that we are choosing here is called as Elementor or Elementor. It's your choice how you want to call it. I would call it as Elementor. So Elementor is again a page builder. It is a WordPress plugin or page builder, you can say. It enables you or it empowers you to create your own website just by using the inbuilt widgets that it has by using drag and drop feature. There are multiple other page builders as well, but as per my experience, I recommend Elementor, and there are a couple of reasons for it. The number one reason is this is one of the most popular in terms of number of installed. It has already more than 5 million plus active installation. It means it already empowers more than 50 lakhs or 5 million websites around the globe. So that is the number one reason. Number two, this is very easy to use, especially for beginners, because this is something which provides you the live preview or live action for your website. So on the left hand side of your screen, you will see the widgets and all the options, and on the right hand side you can directly work on your website, and in real time it will show you all the changes, all the impacts on the website that you are creating. And the number third is it has a free good version. It has a paid version as well, but it offers a free version as well that has immense features, and there are supported plugins as well for this page builder to take the maximum outcome from this plugin. Other plugin or other page builders have some limitations, and I personally don't recommend them, especially for beginners. I'm not saying that they are not useful. They are great at their own space, but for beginners, and to start with, I personally recommend Elementor Page Builder, and we will use the free version of Elementor in this particular series. So there are multiple advantages as well of Elementor, but I will not take much time explaining them. Rather, I will show you how that particular Elementor works as a page builder, and that will clear out all your doubts that why we chose Elementor as a page builder. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Have a nice day.